Why didn't the old dog look in the chest sooner? I'm not sure. Well, I'm going to write a story where he looked in the chest straight away and he saw the treats. Hey, where'd the real typewriter go? I don't know. I'll go ask Calypso. I can't be a story writer without a real typewriter. Hey, Snickers, what's wrong?
Everyone else has learned to sit except me.
But you're a sausage dog. It's going to take you longer.
Why?
Because you're longer.
Aw, I hate being a sausage dog.
Why don't you come with me to see Calypso? Maybe she can help you too.
Okay, thanks, Bluey.
Hey, Winton, what's wrong? Everyone keeps running away from me. Oh, no, they don't. They do. Winton! Well, why don't you come and see Calypso with us? Maybe she can help. Okay, let's keep going. I'll follow you.
Oh no! The English are approaching! Archers, ready! Ready! Hold and fire! And fire!
Hey, we're shooting bows and arrows at you.
Not real ones!
They're pretend, Will. We're not playing your game. We're going to see Calypso. I'm looking for the real typewriter. Oh, please, can you pretend that they're pretend, Will? Oh, okay. Arrows, get down! How are we going to get past them? Snickers, you sneak around them through those skinny trees. And then wait at the top of the hill to do you-know-what.
Oh yeah, okay.
Run, you little sausage dog legs!
They're trying to outflank us. I'm going into those skinny trees.
Oh, why do you get to go into the skinny trees?
Because you got to sit in the boot seat this morning. Even though it was my turn. Because I said boot seat at breakfast before you.